I didn't know my film was submitted to Cannes. I never thought I will be a filmmaker. I was a doctor before. I was happy. I had called FTI. Can you confirm me this? Hello, I am Chidanand S. Naik for Brew. So FTI has these confidential rules of submitting into films, so they didn't usually tell me. So I directly got a message from the artistic director of the film festival, like, is so and so your graduation film? And I was curious, like, why I'm getting a message from Cannes. Then I replied, and she said, your film has been selected. And I was happy. I had called FTI. Can you confirm me this? It feels really great to be my work being recognized. You spend so much years to be a doctor, and it was a huge part of my life, and quitting that and starting again was very difficult, and for people around me also. So they were like quite scared, and they were like, few people were doubtful whether I can make it. So that was the time. But for me, the passion was like the driving force, and I love whatever I do. So this kept on moving, and somehow I could keep on like pursuing my dreams. So basically the logline of the film is, one day a granny from the village steals the rooster and gets out of the village, and from that day onwards the village never gets the sunrise again. I'm Kannadiga, so I feel so proud. And my title of the film is Suryakanti Huge Madlu Gotagiddu, and the English title is The Sunflowers Were the First Ones to Know. And whatever I am, I can tell the stories where I come from. And Kannada film is definitely, we were making global films way before. If you know, like Shankar Naik, you might have seen Malgudi Days. So we had such brilliant filmmakers before also. Now we are getting that recognition. So I'm very happy. And this is just the beginning, because these are the narratives we have been grown listening, like we were listening these narratives while we are growing up. And we wanted audience to get into our mind space. Especially the folklores has their cultural context within. And our traveling metaphors is the one we usually express with it through. So I'm very happy that this film got here, and the work is being recognized here. Anyone can be a filmmaker if they feel expressing in this medium, and this is not the only way of expression. Some can write, some can paint, some can sing. So I feel I resonate with this medium. So I think anyone can be a filmmaker, and everyone is an artist, I feel.
ಒಂದಿನ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರ್ನಾಗ ಕೋಳಿ ಕೂಗ್ಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ದಿನದಿಂದ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬೆಳಕ ಹರಲಿಲ್ಲ.